Hello everyone, I'm Kusmulata Bhatt. Welcome to our channel CodeChef. Today we are going to solve a problem Chef and Sum from the CodeChef platform which has the Cakewalk difficulty level. It requires no prerequisites. So let's understand the problem statement first. There are two friends Chef and Chefina wants to test the problem solving skills of Chef. So she provides two integers to the chef, x and y. And now the task of chef is to take the two numbers x and y and return their sum. So this problem is straightforward that we have two integers x and y, and what we have to do, we have to simply return the sum of these two variables. So before moving forward, let's see the input format. So we are not going to have the multiple test cases here. Here the input is going to contain only one line, which is going to contain two integers x and y only. And now for the output part, for each test case, we have to output in a single line the sum of these two numbers x and y. Since the test case is 1 here, we are given only single test case. So the output is simply going to be a one line here which is going to contain the sum of x and y. The constraint here on the x and y value is x value is going to be between 1 and 100 and y value is going to be between 1 and 100. So the approach is simple here. We are given two integers x and y and we simply have to print the sum of both, that is x plus y. So the problem is simply reduced to three steps. We have to take input of x and y. We have to calculate the sum and then we simply have to print sum. So the time complexity for this problem is going to be O of 1 because we are doing a constant number of operation here, and space complexity is going to be O of 1 because we are using a constant space here. So let's see the sample input. Here x value is 6 and y value is 70 and the output is 76 because when we will calculate the sum of x and y, it is going to be 6 plus 70 which is going to be 76, which is exactly the output printed here as 76. So let's take a look on the C++ implementation of the problem. So first we have to take the input of x and y. So we are doing it here in the 7th line, and then we are initializing another variable sum which is storing the value of the sum of x and y, and then we are simply printing the sum variable on the screen. Now what we can also have done is, instead of initializing another variable sum as x plus y here, we could have simply printed the value of x plus y here. We could have simply printed the value of x plus y here. This way is also correct. So now let's have a look on the Python implementation of the problem. In the first line, we are simply taking the input of xy variable by using the way map int comma input dot split. It is by default splitting the line by the space. And then what we are doing, we are simply printing the x plus y value. Here we could have initialized some sum in between to store the value of x and y sum, and then we could have printed that sum variable, but both the way lead to the same time and space complexity, so we could have used any of the way. So let's submit the code and see whether it gets accepted or not. So the code is got accepted and we got the correct answer. So this is it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching.